when we look around globally, and I look at my portfolio, we have 60 names. I'm excited about all of them, frankly. I mean, they all have different characteristics and they all have different opportunity sets. And I think one of the things that we're very good at is, even if a market might be somewhat out of favor or not much going on, we're very good at identifying the best opportunity given our thematic research. And so in Brazil years ago, when the market was out of favor, we invested in education and insurance that did very well in a down market. So there's not one particular market. I would say markets where we think we have the most opportunity to make money today, one would be Russia, believe it or not. There's been obviously the negative headlines over the past few years on Putin and the geopolitical risk, but that economy is set up to grow at a much higher rate over time. They're looking at fiscal stimulus. And if we look at a company like Yandex, Yandex is a technology leader in Russia and globally. Yandex is basically search. They compete against Google. They have 65% market share in search. They have partnered with Uber, so they have the ride-sharing business where they have 60% of that business. And then they also are developing self-driving cars. So behind Alphabet, they are the leader in self-driving autonomous vehicles. They recently tested those vehicles in Las Vegas at the CES. So this is a company that's very, very interesting. 15 billion market cap, which doesn't compare to these trillion-dollar market caps that we're seeing in the world today, which is amazing. And it trades at less than 20 times earnings. So this is a stock that easily could be up, 50 to 100%, and very, very easy to get to those upside targets. I would say China as well, believe it or not, and there's a lot of negative press around the coronavirus and the temporary slowdown that they're going to go through, and they are going through. But if you look at China's adoption for technology, it's much, much faster than developed markets. It's much faster than what we see in Brazil or India. And if you look at the technologies coming out of that country in terms of artificial intelligence, in terms of drone technologies, in terms of how they use 5G, how they're rolling out 5G very, very rapidly, we're finding very interesting companies there as well.